Hello, this is an LC Creations presentation here, and tonight I'm going to show you guys how far Zoo Tycoon 2 mod editor is. So let's get started. I'm going to go to Add Code, Entity, Object, and Fence, and then I'm going to click Add Codes, and then the first question you get is this the first code in your project? Don't select no, select yes. And then you're going to browse for your project folder, which mine's going to be in ZT2 projects. And then I'm going to click this black aviary pack. Then I'm going to click OK. By the way, you just pasted all your codes already. Now you just have to rename them. And to do that, you just put your project code name in and all this other info. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna put black aviary pack, and then I'm gonna put in black aviary pack. I'm going to put my fence name in, which is going to be aviary wall 02, and then aviary wall height 2. And then I'm going to do my Zoopedia code name, which will be black aviary pack. And I'm going to copy and paste this because it takes a while doing all that. Okay, so I'm going to put in ZP for Zoopedia, and then I'm going to put this in here too, and then I'm just going to put filter. So that's my filter code name already. And then for here I'm going to put black aviary pack. And then I'm also just going to paste that again. Makes things a lot faster. And then I'm going to put texture code name in, which will be black steel texture. And then now these code names here, if you're not a designer, all these code names right here, here, and here, you can choose whatever code your name you want. That's in designing. Any designer would probably know that. And then I'm going to put my publisher's name, which is LC Creations, and then the date you're published. You can also just put the year if you want, but I'm going to put the whole date. And then you put the description, which mine's going to be this pack can be used to create a black aviary black steel aviary with glass. Now in my opinion that would actually look ugly, but I'm doing it anyway. And then all you're going to do is you're just going to click recode entity. There, you're done. You just created your first fence and your first project's things. Now in order to finish, you have to click restart. If you don't do that, you're not in. So is this the first code in this project? No. Now the reason why I still put this here is because if you want to go back and add another fence after you add another object, you'd have to click no. And you always have to make sure you do that. If you don't, you're screwed. Or you kind of have to undo your project, and I don't know how to fix that in the software. So just click out and then go to your fence code name, which is going to be your next fence. Aviary wall 0, or let's do 2 to 3. Aviary, oh wait, aviary wall 0 to 3. HEIGHT. And there you go. So then you're gonna do your Zoopedia code name again. I don't know why it's supposed to keep that there, but it doesn't. So let's do black aviary pack ZP, same as the other one, so it'll lead to the same exact Zoopedia. Like I said, the text is supposed to stay in these when you click restart, but for some reason it doesn't, so I'm going to fix it. And then again, we're just going to do this. Filter. Whatever is shaded out is what you do not need to, put in. It's not what you can't put in. You can put it in, but you don't need to. So, now, let's finish getting done. Okay. So, now, you just created your second fence in the pack. Now let's see what this has done. Let's go to the projects, my projects, and let's go to black aviary pack. So, first of all, you have all your stuff here. It's all coded already. Everything's coded just by entering all that information. And then you have it also entered in here as well. And then you have everything in here, including your texture that you named. You have everything here, including this, and of course this, and this, and your steel texture for every area. So now I'm going to show you the lang. It entered all the stuff automatically in your strings. You have aviary wall height 2, aviary wall 02, and then you have your Zoopedia strings. This is the definition you put in there. Pretty nice, huh? It really is. It's nice. And then, I don't even know why I said that. Oh, and then you have your creator's name here for the copyright. And then right here. And then the date. Oops, the date you created it. Pretty nice and neat. And then you also have your filter here. And that's, of course, just a minute. You also have this done. And then, of course, that's also finished in here. Oh wait, where am I going? It's also finished in here. So your product filter it's all pasted in there. And of course here too, because you put the same thing in for that one. And then that's it. That's what it can do. I'm going to show you some more stuff in a few minutes. So stay up. And I mean, it's pretty cool. You can do a lot of things. You can do a lot of things with it.